Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Here is Maryum Sajjad with today's English headlines. Pakistan rejects Indian Defence Minister's baseless allegations. Pakistan rejected Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh's terrorism-related allegations against Pakistan. Pakistan in red list over low testing and sequencing rates, UK government. The British government has said that it decided to keep Pakistan on the travel ban red list because the true number of COVID-19 cases is likely to be much higher than reported across Pakistan. No one can snatch away jobs granted by Parliament. Bilawal Bhutto Zardari on Sunday said that no one can snatch away jobs given by the Parliament, vowing to appeal a Supreme Court verdict that declared a Pakistan People's Party era law unconstitutional and illegal. Schools reopen in Sindh with SOPs. Schools in Sindh on Monday today reopened with strict standard operating procedures. As per the notification issued by the School Education Literacy Department, last week the schools have been allowed in-person classes for 6 days a week. Medical students continue protest against licensing exams. Lahore, the police used water cannons to disperse doctors protesting against national licensing exam being conducted by Pakistan Medical Commission outside NLE Center. PDM announces Islamabad long march against government. Pakistan Democratic Movement Chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman said on Sunday that the opposition's movement would no longer be restricted to only holding public gatherings but will launch a road so that citizens can protest for their rights. Heavy rain disturbs life in low-lying areas in Rawalpindi. The start of the rain always sets alarm bells ringing for the people living in low-lying areas of Rawalpindi, who always fears for their life and property due to the constant threat of floods all around. The heavy rainfall in Rawalpindi and Islamabad resulted in significant flooding in low-lying areas here on Sunday. Peshawar police claim arresting 1,100 drug dealers. Capital City police claim to have arrested over 1,100 drug dealers during the last 8 months while recovering huge quantity of ice, heroin and other drugs. Government urged to withdraw charges for COVID-19 booster shots. Jamaat-e-Islami President for Overseas Pakistanis Haji Amir Zaman criticized the government and National Health Services over its decision to charge travelers for a booster shot. The government had on Saturday notified that travelers can now get a booster dose of the vaccine after getting their 2 doses for Rs 1,270. Pakistan reports 3,800 coronavirus cases, 66 deaths in 24 hours. The nationwide tally of fatalities has jumped to 25,670 on Monday. COVID-19 restrictions extended to 27 cities. The National Command and Operations Center extended COVID-19 standard operating procedures to 27 cities across the country with higher disease and healthcare occupancy due to rising number of infections. The NCOC made the decision to continue implementation of COVID-19 SOPs in view of current pandemic situation and increasing pressure on COVID-dedicated healthcare facilities. This is end of today's headline. Take care of yourself and please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching CID News Network Islamabad.